What is going on, everyone? Misa with Misa's Mobile Detailing once again. Today, I'm gonna show what we did with the vinyl wrap job that we had. This is our first car we've done before a 53 foot trailer. So I'm just gonna show you what we did to it. It's a little different than PPF. I wouldn't say that it's easier or harder. It's just its own different game. So I'm gonna show you what we did. All right, so with the vinyl wraps, the difference between vinyl and PPF, the PPF is usually applied wet with a soapy solution. The vinyl, most of the time, there's a few times where you use also solutions, but most of the time it's a dry installation. In this case, we use heat to make sure the vinyl's soft, to shape it to the hood, and then we just do some trim cuts to match the trim of the hood. But yeah, overall, it's pretty good. It's not, I wouldn't say super hard to install, but it takes some patience and some dedication. As you can see, we're leaving a little bit of excess on the edges. We're gonna trim those and cut them later on this video. So to wrap the edges, we trimmed a little bit of vinyl, and right now we're using heat to get the edges down. After we get them down, we are going to just trim the very excess and just leave like a thin section of the vinyl. But that's what we're doing with the heat. That's what we're doing with the thumb, making sure that we lay the material evenly throughout the edge without leaving any bubbles. So there's the trunk and the hood. We did not record doing the roof, but I'm gonna show you the final result of the roof. That was my brother there working with me. Remember that I told you that vinyl sometimes apply wet? Well, this is the case. We're doing the sign on the side. This vinyl was applied with the soapy solution. You gotta let it dry for a few minutes, then you rip off the protective material to avoid the scratching on directly on the sign. But yeah, that's what we're doing. We're ripping it off. You see a little bit of bubbles there, which is squeezing them down. No big deal. Make sure that no water is in between the film and the paint. And boom, there's the final result. There is the hood. There's the roof and the trunk and the designs on the sides of the doors, the quarter panel, and the fender. Guys, so that is a little bit of a few clips of what we did with the vinyl wrap installation that we had. Unlike the PPF, the vinyl is mostly to protect, no, not to protect, but it's mostly to just change the aesthetics of the vehicle. There's some PPF that is cosmetic too and protects, which is like a hybrid of vinyl wrap, which has different colors, and it still has the thickness of the PPF, so it protects from scratches and all that good stuff. This vinyl wrap is about 2 millimeter thick, which is very thin compared to PPF. It's about 4 times thicker than that. It's about 8 mils. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys what we did. First car that we vinyl wrap, very similar to PPF, just dry. A lot of like just make sure lifting and glassing, what they call it, the term glassing. I can explain that in some of the video. But if you liked it, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, ask questions, leave comments. I like this, I didn't like that. If you are in the North Texas area and are looking for a detailer and want a quote, you can text or call us at 972-302-5433 or at Misa's Mobile Detailing. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.